What is this here? Oh, you see? Nice. Nice. Artificial. You see? 8 minutes more. I have to end my life. There is a small bridge. Okay. Next time I have to come back here. Maybe there are many fishes. No. No fish. Nice. Over there is a playground. Guys, thanks for watching, guys. I have to end my live here, huh? 8 minutes more to go. I have to end my live so that I can join the live of Baleos. Okay. Uy, you see, guys, there is a what? Ayan. Sama na siya, ha? Oh, there are turtles. You see the turtles, guys? I have to close up the turtle. I cannot close up. Turtles. Ducks. That is a ducks, I think. A ducks. Ducks. It's nice here. Very nice. When I went here many years ago, but I don't remember anymore. Don't remember this place. It was this way, like this. Very nice. No? Still have in 2 minutes. Okay, Balios. 8 minutes more. I have to end my live. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support. 8 minutes more. I have to end my live. We go over there. Huh? You see, there are many people. I will come back again here to go on Sunday. Mm. 3 minutes more. Bakit bang hina ng ayan, tanggalin ko na ng power bank. 54. 6 minutes more. Turtle. Mami. Hello. Malapit ko nang i-end ang aking live. Reby Ariel pala ito. Thank you, Kuya Reby Ariel. Ano na lang, kulang 6 minutes more na lang i-end ko na ang live. Attend ko sa live ni Balios. 2 hours naman ito eh. Thank you. Balios, I'm going live in 2 minutes. Yes, Balios, I am waiting to end. 5 more minutes. 5 minutes more. I have to end my live here. Bakit walang isda? Saan kaya ang mga isda? Ay, mga turtle. Nandoon ang mga turtle, oh. Turtles. Ducks.